Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Deere RC 2-channel Flying Eagle. You know, we've been real happy with these small Deere RC planes lately. They're very inexpensive. It gets you, somebody, small kid, gets them into flight. Why don't we open this thing up and see what we got. We got your standard little 1-page, 2-page instructions. Simple enough. Look at this thing. Wow. That's way better than I thought. Real flexible. It's only a 2-channel, so you just got differential thrust. One will spin faster than the other. So you could turn left and right. And when you give it more power, it'll go up higher. Kill the power, it'll go down lower. I don't know how this thing's gonna fly, but it looks pretty neat. I was able to get this on Temu for $10. Usually they're $28 to $32 on Amazon or eBay, but like I said, I went on Temu and I got it on sale for 10 bucks. I mean, look at this thing. That is neat. Very flexible, very neat. Dual prop. What else? We got spare propellers, 2 props, a screwdriver, optional landing gear, and a charger. We got 2 batteries with it, and from my experience with these, they're 150 milliamp. They usually last like 20 minutes worth of flight, so they're usually pretty decent flight time. 2 batteries and remote. It's just a simple left, right differential thrust. Makes one speed up faster than the other to go left and right. And for your power, for your speed up and down. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Like I said, it looks pretty neat. That's real nice. Let's get it outside, and it's got a nice soft nose. Let's get it outside and give it a flight. Got a little remote. We're in the backyard. We're going to give this a try. Let's give it a try, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. Here, you want to hand launch it for me?
Yeah.
We'll go down here. See, we're in a really tiny, my small backyard, so let's give it a try, buddy. Ready? Oh, oh.
Going good. Going good.
Oh, don't hit the tree. Oh, you don't even have to give it much gas. Look at this thing. It flies great. Oh, man.
I'm going to go up on the hill.
In the tree branch. Let's get it.
First flight into a tree.
New tree branch. Let's see. Oh.
Abort it.
No damage. Couple pine needles.
We're good.
We're good. No damage. Let's try it again. Then then that thing flies awesome. That thing flies great. You're able to kill the throttle, let it dive, and then when it gets down in a steep dive, you can throttle it all the way up and hit hard left or hard right, and it swoops real hard. That's pretty cool. Ready?
There we go. Oh, yeah.
No damage, though. Not taking any damage. Look at this. We'll get a nice little flight. Got left. If I get enough room, I'll go right.
Really, looks like a real eagle from here.
Then right. Oh, yeah. Kill it. Then gun it. Kill it. Gun it and turn. And it swoops. That thing is awesome. Oh. All right. He's going to try it again. Ready, buddy?
Ready.
Go ahead. That one. There you go. Yeah, you're doing great, buddy.
I just kind of.
Keep turning. Yeah. Turn the other way. Yeah. Floor it. There you go.
End here.
Floor it. Good job. You did a good job. You're afraid of going in the trees. It's okay. Well, guys, it works great. Left and right. It flies fantastic, especially in a little spot. Excuse me. Now we've been flying for, I don't know, 8-10 minutes. The battery's still charged. It still goes. And I mean, this was worth 10 bucks on Temu. I mean, without a doubt. And it's definitely worth 28 to 32 bucks on eBay or Amazon. You get spare propellers with it. It's got a soft nose that blocks the props from getting broke. I mean, look at this thing. It works great. Left. Kill it.
On the right.
Right.
If you look at it from the correct distance, it looks like a real eagle.
Left. Let it dive. Left. Whoa! Almost got you. Oh, got me. That thing works great. All right, guys. Stay tuned. We'll have plenty more coming. Thanks for watching. Till next time.